So, I've made it to Canada. I've been here about 5 days now, doing a lot of exploring, travelling around with the family, but today I'm on my own. We're going to be heading over to Leamington, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's about 5 k's away, which is about 3 miles. Probably going to go for a walk. I could cycle, don't know yet, see how I feel. This intro sucks. So, I've decided, as you can see, to cycle into town because walking was going to take me about an hour and I didn't fancy walking. Classically, I've chosen another spot that's incredibly windy, but just quickly show you, look at this gangster bike. Far too small for me. It's about 100 years old, but it's getting me there, you know? The most uncomfortable bike I've ever ridden in my life, but fuck it. We are on our way to Leamington to do some POV photography. I don't know anyone here, so I don't give a shit what I look like. And I haven't got any sun cream on, so I'm gonna burn like shit because I'm ginger. And everything's overly interesting to me because we don't get shit like this in England. I still get my eye in, so I excuse if the photos are trash. I will probably change lens at some point, just don't know when. This interesting sign. Oh, hit the curb. Oh yeah, gang bike. That's the longest seat post I've ever seen on a bike. Look at that. Jokes. Right, let's try and get a cool photo of this. Yeah, nice. Let's try and do a nice front one of the fire station. We'll be in line with the sign. Still on for the landscape for good measure. So it's still well overexposed. Wait for this guy to walk into frame. That's nice. I like that. Adds a bit of depth. Let's go get the police car. Know if we're going to get told off taking photos of police cars, but they've got a gun. Let's just ask. Is it alright if I take a photo of the cars? Or is that not? Yeah, is that alright? Thank you. Super underexposed. Overexposed. CPL come in play. Yeah, cool. I got a shot of her come by because she wasn't smiling at me, I can tell you. Tell you this now. You know, a massive gun that she had on her. Fucking Jesus Christ. Dead stop America. Cheers. Well, I'm over here from England, so I do a bit of photography and I film it all for YouTube and bits and bobs. So we don't get trucks like this.
I know, they're all
small town, yeah. Yeah. Well, enjoy your day. Thank you very much. I got around this way. Don't know what happened there. GoPro's there. GoPro keeps turning itself on and off, and it's winding me up. But I'm gonna be photographing this gangster car. Let's go back to POV mode. Now the CPL will come into play. Look at it, man, it's so cool. Let me get closer. So peaceful down here. Oh, look at this, man. It's so big. 50 mils just too tight for this. Get a rear shot. Hiya.
Hi, can I help you?
Oh, is it right taking photos?
I'm sorry?
Is it okay taking photos of the car?
If what?
Taking photos of the car.
No, I don't mind.
No,
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
You're from
England.
England?
Yeah. So I'm just
Okay.
having a walk around Leamington on my own, taking some photos.
Not at all. Here,
Yeah?
Look at the back.
Yeah, it's fantastic. I went to a little car meet yesterday and it's,
I was just wondering, who is that? What are they doing?
no, nothing out of the, well, a bit ordinary.
From England. My grandson plays music in England.
Oh, whereabouts in England?
What?
Oh, thank you very much.
Hello?
Well, enjoy your day.
You too.
And I'll look him up.
I hope you like the style.
Yeah, what's his name again?
Pardon?
What's his name?
Billy?
Yeah,
Rafool?
Ruffle.
Yeah, look.
I'll find it. Let's try and frame it around these leaves. Oh, look at that. CPL. Spot on. Right, told you Canadians are lovely. I was planning on making this video short, but I feel like I'm going to chew through all of the SD card storage on this. Plus the GoPro keeps fucking up. They've done it before on a shoot I really wanted to bring out, but it just died. Basically the SD card just gets corrupt. I've changed multiple SD cards, but I think it's actually the GoPro now that's given up, hence why I stop and start things now instead of just constantly filming the whole time. That way at least it'll save something and I should be alright. I don't know what I'm actually going to capture while I'm here, so I may as well just film everything as I can. I don't know what I'm going to find.
This world is not my home, I'm just a passing through. If heaven's not my home, then hell will have to do. The angels beckon me from this dark and eerie door, and I can't feel at home in this world anymore. Run away, I might just run away. I might just leave it all behind and find another day. Thought it through, good God, I thought it through, and there ain't nothing that I got I ain't willing to lose. These chains, they hold me down, they finally took their toll. I can't find the strength to fight like this no more. I've had all I can take, too much to carry around. I'm tired, weak and lonely, and I'm ready to lay down. Run away, I might just run away. I might just leave it all behind and find another day. Tell my man I done the best I can, and I know loving him means leaving him alone. And I know loving him means leaving him alone. Run away, I might just run away.
I'm coming a little bit, 100 mil. Come back out 70 portrait. Cool. How's it going? Good, thank you, man. Can we get a photo of you there? Stand. Come a little bit further. Nice one, man. Big smile. Cheers, dude. Have a good day. Ah, see, Canadians, fucking lovely.